Here's what St. Paul once wrote: "Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud." This profound teaching from his letters invites us to explore the boundless depth of love. What does it mean to truly embody such love in our lives, free from pride and envy? Let's delve deeper into St. Paul's message and uncover the transformational power he shared through his words. St. Paul, through his letters, emphasized the virtues within love. Patience and kindness stand as pillars in his teachings, echoing through the ages. In a world often driven by pride and envy, how do we root ourselves in such virtues? By exploring Paul's insights, we can understand how these values transcend time, urging us to cultivate a more compassionate and harmonious world, deeply aligned with his spiritual guidance. St. Paul's teachings emerged during a time of turmoil, yet they brought peace to early Christian communities. His words on love were not just spiritual advice, but a roadmap to unity in diversity. As we face challenges today, his historical context offers lessons still relevant. By applying his wisdom, we can navigate modern life's complexities and foster environments of love and acceptance, just as Paul's followers once did. Reflecting on St. Paul's legacy, we find a timeless wisdom in love's profound simplicity. His message encourages us to step beyond personal barriers and embrace others with genuine understanding. As we journey through life, Paul's teaching transforms ordinary interactions into divine connections. Let us embrace this insight, integrating love into every aspect of our lives, allowing it to guide and inspire us toward a more enlightened existence.